Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's gonna be a home decor haul. Finally, I have a haul for you guys because I usually, when I go shopping lately, I just decorate right away and I never get to show you guys what I get. So today's haul, it's gonna be from Burlington, Wayfair, Zgallerie, and what else? And maybe some Homegoods stuff. So guys, for today's haul, you're gonna see home decor and some new furniture that I picked up. And yeah, so let's just stop talking and jump right into this video because it is a hot day and I have all these lights and it's hot. So yes, let's just jump right into the video. So I'm gonna start with Burlington because if you know me, if you've been following me for a while on Instagram, then you know that Burlington has become one of my go-to places when it comes to home decor. Honestly, you find cute stuff at affordable prices, and lately I've been finding the same exact items from Homegoods at Burlington for like $5 less. So go figure. So anyways, that's just a little tip for you. Check your local Burlington out because you'll be surprised of the amount of cute stuff they have. First item I'm gonna show you from Burlington. Look at this. It's this gorgeous oversized mosaic or mirror. I don't know what they call this, but it was $29.99 and it's so pretty. It's un jarrón. This is like a big vase for your flowers or even to leave it just as is. It is just a stunning piece and it was only $29.99 and I'm obsessed with it. Can't wait to use this. It reminds me a lot of one of the bases from Zgallerie, and this one it's a lot cheaper. It was only $29.99. You guys know I have a thing for pillows, so look what I found at Burlington. Hard to believe. It's so cute and the quality, it's so amazing, you guys. This was only $12.99 and it's a 20 by 20 pillow. Look at this. Oh, it reminds me so much like a Zgallerie pillow. I love the quality. It's velvet material. It's all royal blue in the back, and then here it has this geometric type of pattern with white underneath. It's so pretty. I got 3 of them and this beautiful palm tree candle holder. You guys, when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, I'm buying this. This was $14.99 and I only found one. Unfortunately, I need one more, so I'm on the hunt for it. But this was $14.99. It's handcrafted in India, so it's like a metal material, but like the detail on it is just stunning. And I think it's a perfect piece for summer, so I picked that up. For that candle holder, I picked up this cuties. Oh, how cute. Look at this. If you know me, then you know I love flamingo, especially in the summer. The big one was $19.99 and the small one was $7.99. So I picked up 2 of the big ones and the little small one because I only found one. But I probably picked some more because, I don't know, there's just plain cute. I don't know. The last item I picked up from Burlington is this gorgeous wall art. Of course, you're not going to get to see the whole size of it, but you get to see the detail. Look at that. It's one of those glitter wall art, and this one was only $24.99, and it's so nicely made. You guys, I am like in love. I'm not sure what I'm going to put it yet, but stay tuned. Maybe in my next decorating video, you get to see where I put it, but look how pretty. Like, it's so stunning. So that was it for Burlington. Now I'm going to show you a random item I picked up at Homegoods. I think I only have one item from Homegoods. Gorgeous planter right here. Look how pretty. It's all silver. The big one, which is this one, the one I'm holding, was $19.99. I think this is so cute. I shared this with you on Instagram, and I told you could actually use this for like a wine chiller during the summer as well. Looks like that, but it's a planter. So I picked up the small one as well. This is how the small one looks. I picked up the small one. It looks like this. Super pretty. This one was $14.99. So guys, another store that I recently been super obsessed with is, guess what? Wayfair, you guys. I've been in there like 24/7. I ordered things. You know, if you follow me on Instagram, that I've been struggling with the sofa. I ordered the first sofa from them and then I loved it. But then I just didn't like the size. It was too much on the small size. And the sofa that I'm going to show you today is also from Wayfair. I'm loving the quality. I like everything, but like, again, I feel like it's so tiny. So I don't know. I don't find anything that's at least 100 inches in width. And I find that to be always 87 or like what, 95 or something like that. And 95 and 80 something is pretty much the same. Like when I got them, I was like, there's like no difference. but I'm going to show you the sofa that I got from there today. I also want to share with you a pretty pillow that I picked up from the Inspire Me Home Decor collection. I found this one at Wayfair, of course, and it was $28.99. It comes in a bunch of different colors. I love that this is like a marble material, and then it has like, you know, the gold detail, the gray, the ivory. So that's really pretty, and I think it's gonna work really well with my new sofa. So stay tuned to see how that will look. The item I picked up from Wayfair along with my new sofa are these gorgeous Ottomans that I'm going to be showing you somewhere in here, because how they look over here. I bought 2 of them and I'm planning to use this on my entryway, but these are super cool. You could use them on your living room, pretty much anywhere in your home. They're so trendy right now, and they have them for so affordable. I love how they were gray with the velvet material. There's also come in ivory. I wanted the ivory, but they were sold out, so I was like, whatever, I go with the gray. So guys, this is how this new sofa looks. It is so damn cute. I think it's super cute, super trendy with the whole velvet material right now. It's really in. I hope it doesn't go out of style. I'm not sure 100% if I'm gonna keep this sofa. Yeah, I did reach out to Wayfair. I might want to replace it for another sofa that I saw. I'm not sure, but we'll see what happens. It is really nice quality. In case you're interested in, I will put the link down below. But I'm not sure if I'm sold on the size of the sofa yet. But this is how it looks. Anyways, I just wanted to share it with you here. Who's ready for some Zgallerie stuff? Finally, guys, I have my little wish list from Zgallerie on Shop Tagger for the longest. So when the Memorial Day sale came in, I was like, this is it. This is my time to get those pieces that were on my wish list. I still have a lot more on my wish list, but I wanted to get this ones first. You know what I mean? So whenever another sale goes on, I will check my Shop Tagger and definitely put those on my cart and just, or go to the store and get them. But I want to show you what I got during the Memorial Day sale. The first item I want to show you is this gorgeous glam to another level vase. I'm just like super obsessed with it. Look how pretty, look all the details. If you know me, then you know this Scream Katie over here. It does have a little bit of fallout. This was $80 regular price, and I got it for 25% off. And also I got the matching candle holders, because you know me, your girl is extra, and the tea light holders. I think that's pretty much what I got from that collection. But how gorgeous. By the way, I ordered the big one first, and when I saw it at the store when I went to do the pickup, because I have to order it online, I was like, oh my god, this is huge. It's not gonna work for the area that I wanted. So I told her, can you please return it for the smallest size? She was like, oh, but the sale is over, you're not gonna get the sale. And I was like, what? She wanted to charge me more for this one than for the big one. I was like, no, I paid $67. So I want this one for $67 or less. So she worked that out and she ended up giving me the discount. So thank you, girl. If you ever come across this video, you hook a girl up. And this is how it looks. Super happy. And I'm so excited because this, you could honestly use it all year round. But I'm looking forward to using this during the holidays. Because you know me and the glam and the crystals and all of that stuff during the holidays, be real. Here are the candle holders. This is how they look. The regular price was $29.95 for one of them. I picked up 2. And again, I got it for 25% off. If you don't have Shop Tagger, guys, get that, because it'll be telling you when items go on sale, especially on Zgallerie. I have my Zgallerie wish list with them. Look at this, you guys. Look at this beauty. It comes in a pack of 6, and these were $16.95, and this is how they look. Look how gorgeous they are. So pretty. And this also from Zgallerie, I picked up this leaf, and the name of this leaf is, Banda leaf, and it was $16.95, and I got it with 25% off. During the summer, I want to add a little bit more of the outdoors in, if you know what I mean. I want to add more natural elements, so I picked this up. I think it's just very tropical. Woo! All right, I'm pretty sure you've seen this all over Instagram, but I finally decided to get them. I got the set. I did find this one at Homegoods in gold. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've seen that. But never found them again. And that was for like $16.99, I want to say, or $19.99. So when the sale came along, I decided to just purchase the 2 of this. If you get lucky and you find them at Homegoods, good for you. But I end up just purchasing it there. And they look like this. They're super pretty. One of the items that I was super excited about when I was shopping for the Zgallerie memorial sale, because these canisters, I was dying to get them. I'm so afraid to break them. This one was $49.95 with a 25% off. And the reason why this were on my wish list for so long is because you could use this year round, and like every season you could just decorate the inside of it super different. And I gotta keep these babies away from Jaden. This is the big one. This is how it looks, just like the other one, but on the smaller version. This one was $59.95 with a 25% off, and I cannot wait to decorate them this summer, you guys. So stay tuned for my decorating videos, because it's gonna be really cute with all these items that I've been wanting forever. So guys, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family that we have going on here on our Instagram. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, girl, I'm waiting. Like, go follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite item from this haul. Also, feel free to let me know video suggestions, what you guys want to see on my channel going forward, because this channel is being rebranded and all of that good stuff. I want to share more of what Katie likes. Please leave me those comments down below. I see you guys on my next video. Mwah.